Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be my Boxycharm unboxing for the month of July. I have looked at it because I'm going to be using the products in today's video. If you are new here, hi, my name is Corinne. I would love it if you would hit that subscribe button and ring that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my videos, and let's get started. The second I sat down, it started raining and it got super dark, so that always happens. Perfect timing. The card in the box this month says Sunshine. The first two products we're actually going to breeze through because they are skincare products and I'm just not going to use them in today's video. The first one is from Clean Skin Club and is the Vitamin C Brightening Booster. And this is the one I picked this month. It was picking between like 3 skincare products, I think. And this is the one I liked the best. And here's packaging. I think it's really pretty. It's that frosted glass. It looks really luxurious. And this says it is a powerful mix of pineapple, watermelon, and green tea extracts come together to create the ultimate all-in-one serum. This vitamin C brightening booster brightens this complexion for glowing skin, protects against UV damage, and helps reduce eventual signs of aging. And this bad boy retails for $49.95. So pretty high price point, and it says to mix 3 drops to enhance your cream or serum, can be applied in the morning and evening. So I'm assuming you put it into your moisturizer or another serum that you are using. I will use this eventually. I just will not use that in today's video. And the next product in the box is right here. This is from Grace and Stella. And these are anti-wrinkle and energizing eye masks. There are 12 pairs in this box, and it says suffering from dark circles, puffy eye bags, fine lines, and general fatigue around your eyes, perk them up as if you've just had 8 hours of sleep with these eye masks. They revitalize and rejuvenate the tired eyes, leaving you looking more awake and youthful, and this retails for $21. So I'm not a huge fan of eye masks. I just feel like they never do anything for me. So I'm interested to try these. So I will let you guys know what I think. The first makeup product in the box is this right here. And this is from Ace Beauty or Ace Beaute. And this is the Bronze in Paradise palette. So this is in addition to the much loved Paradise collection. 4 bronzer shades are featured to provide a natural sun-kissed look, can be layered on top of liquid cream or other powder complexion products, and this retails for $30. And here is the palette. There are 4 shades, and I think this could work for many different skin tones. And me, I'm kind of like in the middle right now between my fairest and my tannest. So I mean, definitely the darker two will not work for me. I think I'm leaning towards this one and possibly mixing this one. We'll see. So I'm going to use both of those for my bronzer, and I'm just going to warm up the face a little bit. Okay, so I went a little bit heavy-handed and it turned out a little bit darker than I wanted to, like especially this side looks really dark. So it is pretty pigmented, and I mixed the both of them, but the darker one was a little bit too dark for me. So I would definitely stick to the second shade, and this shade would probably work for me when I'm a little bit lighter. So I'm interested to see if that shade would actually work for me, but I will keep using this palette and see if I like it. I'm going to end up using it on my eyes today just because, but so far I like it. It was really pigmented and I think it blended nicely. I just definitely put too much on my face, a little excessive. I'm going to just throw on some blush. I'm going to use the Primer Infused blush from e.l.f. and I've used this a million times. So I'm just going to put a little bit on my cheeks. And then I'm just gonna throw on a quick highlight. I'm using Moonstone from Becca. It is this really pretty like champagne-y shade. So I'm just throwing that on. So we are going to just take the lightest shade over here and I'm just going to run that in my crease. And I'm just gonna kind of throw it everywhere in my crease. product in the box is what I am most excited about. It is this little guy right here, and this is from Hourglass. I was really excited to see that Hourglass was going to be in the box. I don't know if we have received Hourglass products before, at least I haven't. I don't know if it's been in the box before, but these are the glitter eyeshadows and the scattered light glitter eyeshadows, and I got the shade Ray. Here it is. It's kind of looks like brownish purple in the box, and then it's like, I don't even know how to explain this. It's like mauvey, browny, purpley. I mean, it has a bunch of glitter flecks in it, so not sure how that's going to look on my face. And these retail for $29. So I want to go in with my finger first. So I'm going to just throw that all over my lid. So I got a little fallout on my under eye, just a little bit. I feel like I'm gonna have glitter everywhere. So I'm going to stick a little brush, flat brush into it, and then I'm going to wet that and see if that works. So that is it applied when wet. It did help the fallout, but it didn't make it more intense. So not really sure how I feel about this. It wasn't that special. I don't know if it's just this shade, but I'm pretty sure I've heard good things about these, and this was not that impressive at all. It just looks like a gloss with some glitter on my eyes. So not too happy about that, but we'll see. I'll try it again and see how I like it, but first impressions are not so great. I'm just going to finish up the rest of my face, and then we will be right back. So I just put the second shade right here on my lower lash line, and I added the third shade just to my crease and a little bit to the lower lash line just to finish it up, and I just put on my Monsier Big Mascara. So let's get into the last product, and it is this little thing right here, and this is from Nudestix. And these are the Intense Matte Lip and Cheek Pencil. And I got the shade Raven. And this says, the pencil taking your lip look from day to night so you can go matte, but better. And this retails for $26. So it says lip and cheek, but the color I got, I mean, that's super dark. I would never use that on my cheeks. So not sure what that's about. I'm going to line my lips with this too and then just fill it in. So we'll see how that works. It is pretty dark and vampy. That is a really nice shade for fall. Actually, this look turned out nicely with those shades because the one on my eye is very neutral. So then the touch of red to my lips looks really good. The formula of this is great. They're super creamy and the application was seamless, and I'm terrible at lining my lips. So I was really afraid that I was gonna get it all over the place. If this is not pointed, obviously I would not be able to do that. I would need to use an actual liner, but for the sake of the video and using it for the first time, I just decided to line my lips with this too, and it worked out fine. I don't usually wear shades like this often. I do if I'm like going somewhere special, I'll throw on a darker lip, but I mean, definitely everyday wear, this is not the color I'm going to choose. But for fall and winter and like the Christmas holiday season, then this shade would be perfect. So overall, this box was definitely not my favorite. I mean, the Hourglass shadow was not my favorite. I'm not too happy about the skincare products. I have so many serums, so this is just gonna get thrown in the pile for me. And then the eye masks, I don't really use that much, so this was not the best thing to put in my box, but I will still use them and see how I like it. I did enjoy the palette. I think the shades worked really nicely. I think they blended well. I think they were pretty pigmented. So I will definitely continue using this. And then the lip product, again, formula was great. I would never put this on my cheeks. I mean, maybe with a darker skin tone, people can use this, but my tone and definitely any lighter, this would just look crazy. So I'm not gonna do that, but on the lips, maybe I'll use it in the fall and the Christmas season. So the total for my box is $156.95 and I got box 12. Oh, that is a pretty good deal. Again, the box is $25. The serum alone is $50. So, I mean, that's 50 of the 150. So that took a lot of it, but most of these products are pretty up there. I mean, the eye masks are $21. That's the cheapest product in the box. So again, I still think Boxycharm is worth it because you're only paying like a quarter or even less of the price of the box. But this month was just not my favorite for the products I received. We'll see what products are in the August box. Maybe it'll be a little bit better than this one, but that completes this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please give it a thumbs up if you did enjoy and subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.